For PP strap machine, it can produce from 5 mm till to 25 mm width strap with new or recycled material. The output can be 150 kg per hour, 250 kg per hour, 350 kg per hour, 450 kg per hour. For PET strap machine, it can produce from 9 mm till to 32 mm width strap with new or recycled material. The output can be 200 kg per hour, 400 kg per hour, 600 kg per hour, 800 kg per hour. Comparing with a low-price, low-quality machine, please note our strong advantages. 1. 20 years experiences, European technology. 2. New designed low-energy consumption crystallization and drying system which can save 50% energy. 3. High-efficiency oven heating and annealing system. 4. MOG melt pump, Switzerland. 5. PLC-controlled automatic winder. 6. Fully automatic no-stop back flush screen changer. 7. Easy to operate, stable performance, good quality straps, low production cost. 8. Quicker production speed, big output. 9. Good material and well-known brand electrical parts. 10. Beautiful appearance. 11. Free training for technical process, formula and know-how. 12. Full-time and high-level after-sale services. Generally speaking, they are very important to ensure the good quality of straps.